Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss about the ray optics, which will be important for JEE, NEET, KCET and board related exams. In this we will cover the basic concept and basic terms which will be used in the ray optics. So in the upcoming future videos you need to know this key point so that this will be frequently remembered. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel for getting important notification regarding my new posting of videos. Hi, myself MGS Pawan. Let's get started. Rectilinear propagation of light. What it means? We know that light is a wave. Means when it moves from the source, we approximate as a path its path to be a straight line. So under this approximation we consider ray of light represent the direction of propagation of energy, which means in ray optics we draw to represent light and path they travel. What is a ray? The straight line path along which the light travel in an homogeneous medium is called as a ray. That is represented by this diagram. Next comes beam of light. What does it mean? A bunch or a bundle of ray is called as beam. If there are too many rays traveling like this, in this manner, they are straight, they are not. So this bundle of or bunch of ray is called as a beam. Next, in this beam there are different type. Convergent beam, where in the direction of ray the diameter of the beam decreases, means as the rays are moving closer the diameter decreases. Let's see how it is. See, you can see the rays are coming from far apart. When they converges, this diameter is getting decreased. See here it has some diameter here, and when it is coming here its diameter is decreasing, means where in the direction of ray the diameter of the beam decreases. Next is divergent beam, where in the direction of ray the diameter of a beam increases. Here you need to remember it decreases in the case of convergent, it increases in the case of divergent. Let's see how it is. It is moving away. See here the diameter is less, and when it's coming here its diameter is increasing. Next comes the parallel beam. It is a beam in which all rays constituting the beam moves parallel and diameter of the beam remains same throughout, means wherever you consider here the diameter of the beam remains same. Suppose if I consider here, see here also diameter is same, and if I consider here also diameter remains same. So is it clear? Okay, let's go to another one. Reflection of a light. The phenomenon in which a light ray is sent back into the same medium from which it is coming and interacting with its boundary is called as reflection. Suppose if I consider this is a surface and this is the beam coming like this, and when it hit the surface and it reflect back, this is what means reflected, means the light ray is going back to the same medium from where it has come from. That is the meaning of this statement. Next is boundary can be rigid surface or just interface between the two medium. This boundary is just a rigid surface or it is an interface, means there is a one kind of medium and this is a one kind of medium. Next, law of reflection. In that we have certain laws. Angle of incidence. The angle which the incident ray makes with a normal at the point of incidence. Angle of reflection. The angle which the reflected ray makes with a normal at the point of incidence. That is, suppose if I consider this as a surface and this is a normal and this is an incident ray, and the angle between the normal and the incident, this is I and this is normal, is called as angle of incidence, and another one is the reflected one, which is angle between these two is called as angle of reflection. A reflected ray lies in the plane of incidence and has the angle of reflection equal to the angle of incidence. Means angle of incidence this and this are same. Angle of incidence and angle of reflection are same. This is Snell's law. Let's see in the upcoming videos what it is. I told this is just some basic concept regarding the ray optics. So